to Informatics 164 2017. I'm going to explain a bit more at the different learning objectives of study theme 1. The first video is theory exercise 1, and that is to add a Windows media player to your project. Now we're going to start off by first naming the form something else. Now up to now you've never had to name your form, give it another name, but I want you to name it as form play media. And we can change the caption of the form to play media. Right, so in 154 you were already introduced to different kinds of controls that you can add. Now the one that we're going to add today is called the media player, Windows media player. You will see you won't find it on in the toolbox as it is now. So what we can do is you anywhere in the toolbox you right click and you say choose items. Okay, and this is what you will then see, and then you choose the COM components tab, and then we look for the Windows media player. You click it, you add it, and now you should find it in your toolbox. There it is, and I'm dragging it onto my form. The point of the Windows media player is to be able to play videos in your programs. Okay, so here it is. So we're going to add a few more things to this form. We're going to add a text box. And that is where you will give the path of where this the video is. So we say text, let's call it name. Right, and now what we also need is a few buttons. This button we use to browse, so we can say button browse. We're going to have an open file dialog control as well that will allow us to look for the video. So the caption must be browse, and then we will have two more buttons where we will start the video and stop. So the first one we can name button start. Or let's rather use the word play. And we change the caption also to play. And the second one we call stop. And we can call it button stop. Okay, we're almost there. The last thing we need to add is an open file dialog. We've done that in Informatics 154. Let me just find it. Open file dialog. Where is it now? Open file dialog. There it is. I'm going to give it the name open file dialog media file. Okay, so there it is. Okay, now we are ready to write the event handlers. You can make it a bit nicer, maybe something like this. Right. Okay, so we now have to write the click event handlers. When we open the browse click event handler, we need to use this open file dialog, and we want it to be shown. And then we want the name of the text box to be the name of the file that you've chosen. Okay. Alright. Then we want to code the play event handler, and this is we forgot to name the media player. We're going to call it just media player. Okay, now we can go back. So we can say media player dot URL is equal to text name dot text, and then we say media player dot CTL controls dot play. Okay, and then the last one that we have to code is the stop button, click event handler, and that is just media player dot CTL controls dot stop. Okay, now let's see if this works. So we're going to run the program. It'll just take some time. Right, now I'm going to browse for a video on my hard drive or wherever you want to find it. I'm looking for sample videos, choosing it. Can you see the name of the path is now appears now in a text box? So if I start playing it, I can also stop it using these controls. So I can increase the volume, take out the sound, I can stop it up there, I can pause it here, but I can also stop it. Okay, and that is all for theory exercise 1 of lecture 1.